All right, today we're going to bring an M.2 NVMe reader. We're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and put it together and test it out and see how fast it works. So let's go ahead and put it together. So first of all, what you need to do is you got to unlock it from the bottom, all right? They give you the type C, and then let's go ahead and unlock it. And to unlock it, it has a little indentation pointing down the arrow. So you got to push it down a little bit and it unlocks, and then you open it up, and that's pretty much it. And then you just take it out. So here we have different levels all the way to 80 millimeters. All right, so here we are, we got our M.2 NVMe. You put it in the indentation, go in there. It's pretty much, you just lock it in place. That's it. You put it in there, put it down. Now this is a rubber little end that goes right into it. So they give you a couple of these. So if in case you lose this one, you could have an extra one too. So we're going to put in the last one down, and that's it. Locked in place. We're going to set it up. We're going to run a test on it. But first, let's go ahead and close it up. So when you close it up, just slide it in there. And not only that, you could put in the actual thermal tape that they give you in case you want to, in case you it overheats or it's getting too hot. You can put the thermal tape too. It's also included in there. I'll put a picture of the description of how it looks. But today we're just going to test it out, and then we're going to set up a larger one later. That's it. That's pretty much it. So let's plug it in and let's turn on our computer and see how fast it works. All right, we're going to test the actual physical speeds of the actual drive. And I have a AJ8 application that we use to actually test certain speeds. So right now we choose the application, the hard drive, and then we're going to go ahead and start the process. And we're going to see how fast we can transfer the rate on the file. So it's doing its test right now, and it's not bad. It's writing 291 and it's reading 791 megabytes per second. So not, it's fast enough. It's great to actually as a portable type C, easy to transfer. I like that it tones the light on when it's activated. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe